Hey, Jason Rust here with the Scenic O'Brien Group, and today I'm at a very cool townhome, 67 Milestone Drive in Prominence. Stay tuned. Before we start our tour, let me give you a few details about this townhome and the community of Prominence. So first, the townhome. It was built in 2015. It's a B unit. And Prominence, on the north side, you have three styles of townhomes. You've got a C unit, that's a 2-bedroom, 1-car garage, and then you've got an A and a B. This is a B unit, so it's 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage. It's approximately 1,700 square feet, and it was built in 2015. Now, a couple of features about this townhome that I love. First of all, gas appliances. When my clients bought the place, it had carpet in it. They had all the carpet removed in the bedrooms. They put LVT throughout the whole townhome. It's got brand new heating and air. It's got a brand new heating and air conditioner. And a really cool feature is they had custom bunks put in one of the bedrooms. Now, some other cool features about this property is that it butts right up. Milestone Drive butts right up to 30A, which I'll show you in a second. So it is super close walking distance to the Big Chill, which I'll get to in a second. And you can see the community pool, but you're far enough away so you don't get caught up in the crazies. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the Big Chill. And I'm going to get some video of that later on in this presentation as well. But the Big Chill is just an amazing community hangout spot. You've got shopping, restaurants, you've got this big stage where they do concerts and show old movies and play sporting events. And one of the really neat things about the Big Chill is during the off season, when it might be a little bit too cold to go to the pool or the beach, you can bring your kids there to hang out. They've got this big fire pit. There's an arcade, a Build-A-Bear. You can grab you some nachos or a cheeseburger and just chill and let the kids play. It is very, very cool, and I'll be sure to get some footage of it as well. But until, what I would like you to do now is just sit back and relax while we tour 67 Milestone Drive. You could not have a prettier day in Florida in August. But here's Milestone Drive. Like I said, the community pool. I don't know if you can see it, but it is just to the first turn to the left. That's how close it is. But here are the 2-car garage. You've got parking right here. Plus, if you want to put a golf cart or just overflow parking. And this is the B unit. It's laid out differently than the A unit. It's at the back of the complex. But like I said, it faces 30A. Here's the new HVAC. Here's the doorway. 30A is right there. I mean, I don't know if you can see those cars passing, but that's 30A. And here is the back porch. But you could technically just walk across the street and there's the Big Chill is just right around the corner. Probably safer just to take the sidewalk, but that's how close you are. All right, let's go inside and check out the kitchen and living room. Well, it feels good once you walk in this air conditioning. So I'm at the front door. To the left is the kitchen. So you have your island, stove, microwave, gas, cooktop. But they've just done a great job. This property rents extremely well. I've had this listing a couple of weeks, and this is the first time I could actually get into it. I think the projections for this unit are in the mid 70s to 85,000 a year. So you've got your dining area, and here's your back porch that I showed you earlier. That flows right into the living room. And here on that TV, just imagine, watching an amazing Elvis movie, or maybe the Titans putting a whooping on the Kansas City Chiefs. But here's just kind of a view of how it flows. This unit does come fully furnished, and you have a pantry, and then they've got owner's closets that are locked out. You can use them however you want. But to the right is the laundry room with another owner's closet. And then you have a half bathroom right off the utility room. And this flows into the garage. Another owner's closet. They had the floors epoxied, but you can easily get 2 cars in here. They store their golf carts. All right, let's work our way upstairs. To the right is the first full bathroom. And there is the bathtub, as I've stated many, many times. People always want to know, does the rental have a bathtub? I guess if they have little kids. Here we are, first room on the 2nd floor. I believe that's a queen size bed with a TV. It's just the furnace right there. Got a little overlook. And here are the custom bunks. Now, I can't tell you how many times I see people just go to Rooms to Go and put the little metal or wood frame beds in there. They really maximize the space with these custom bunks. You've got drawers, the shiplap, a good sized closet, another TV, but they did a great job on those custom bunks. I think that's one of the reasons the rental numbers get driven to the point that they are. Now we're coming into the primary with extremely tall ceiling. Closet to the left. I'll give you a view of what it looks like. But just very spacious, and it overlooks 30A. That's 30A right there. And it's very quiet. If that's a question you've got, I can't hear anything. Double vanities in the primary bathroom, stand-in shower. So the next couple things I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a picture of the community pool. It's very large. You've got tons of parking, places to hang out, facilities. It even has a grill area. I'm not going to do a video of the community pool because sometimes people get a little, they want to know why some guy's taking a video. But I am going to grab a video of the big chill and the beach access. So let's stay tuned. This is the big chill. You've got all this parking. Got this little community area. But you have restaurants, shopping, a big stage where they play movies and watch some sporting events. You've got all kind of places to eat, hang out. That's really nice. That's arcade. I've been here many, 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 many times. It's a great area, especially in the off season when it's too cold to go to the beach or maybe even the pool. You bring your kids here, they light this fire. It's just great. Build-A-Bear. My little daughter's been in there many, many times. Yeah, this is just a great area. Great addition to Prominence. I mean, just imagine maybe Rick Springfield in concert. Man, can you imagine? Well, this is the big chill. So this is Deer Lake State Park. And what I really like about this state park is that there is tons of parking and facilities. And that's rare here on the west side or east side of 30A. And a lot of people from Prominence, this is where they come to the beach. So there is a fee if you don't have a pass. I think it's $4, somewhere between $4 and $10 per family. But the access to the beach is this trail right here. But it's just one of the better state parks, and it's probably a minute drive from Prominence. It's very close. Actually, when we first moved here, we lived down the street, and when I taught my little girl how to ride her bike, this is where we would come. We'd ride here. So safe, easy to get to, great state park. A few more features of this park. You have this shower to rinse off after you go to the beach. Usually closes at sunset. Got some information board, but then you have this path, really nice path through the jungle to the beach. So and that is a jet. There's an Air Force base not too far from here. All right, let's keep this tour going. Just to grab a little bit more footage here. So we're walking to the beach, the public beach, state park access. You have this nice bridge. It really is so, it's one of the prettier, I know I keep saying it, it's one of the prettier state parks. This and Grayton, they're just stunningly beautiful. I can smell the ocean. This is the dune section of the state park. And there it is. You still have a little bit of ways of a walk, but I thought this would be a nice video addition. Okay, let's get to the golf. What do you say? This is why I moved here. It's a beautiful August morning. You've got Seagrove, and you have Alice and Rosemary. Just one of the more beautiful public beaches, or I'm sorry, state parks along 38 Deer Lake. Well, there you go. I hope you've enjoyed this tour. Wasn't that beach access just stunningly beautiful? If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. I'm going to put some more info of this property in the comments below. But also, if you would, if you enjoy these type of videos, if you could give me a thumbs up and maybe even leave a comment, it really does help out the channel. But until then, be blessed, have an amazing day, and go Vols. See you soon.